Hi, this is the course of creating a website using HTML and CSS. So we have created already 5 videos in which we have implemented various concepts. So in this video, actually our target is to create this specific layout. Actually we are working with images, right? So we reached in the previous video to this specific layout. So now we are going to move forward. So here we have left behind is now we have to give some height to this specific heading, right? So here is our CSS of the whole HTML that we are working on, and here we have to give some height to heading. For example, 300 pixel is the height, and now if you will see on the output screen, this is as it is, right? Why? Because image is large and heading division is of 300 pixels, so we have to write here overflow hidden. So now if you will see, the image size is going to be reduced because this will not come out of division, right? So now we have to write the content section. So inside the content dot content, what we have to write is we have to write the background image. So background image, for that we have to write URL, then images, and inside of images we have this folder banner2, right? banner2 dot jpg. So now if we shall see on the output screen, this would look something like this, but here we are not able to see clearly. Why? Because the height is not decided. So we have to give some height to the content. So background size should be 100% and 100%. So now if you will see here, then this is not looking good. Actually we have to give this division. Actually the content is what? Here is the content is actually the division. So we have to give this division some height. So let me give some height. So the height is, for example, 200 pixel, and then we shall see some change if it would be. Yes, that is good. So I think instead of 200 we have to give some 300 pixel so that it would look good. Yes, this is looking good. And now we have to move to the footer section. Dot footer. So the color of the footer should be white, and the background should be black, and we have to give some padding top. So this should be around 10 pixel. So now if you will see, then you will find some change, right? Yes. So this is looking good. So we have to reduce the height of this specific 280 pixel. And now it would look good, right? So we have to text align center. Text align center, we have to give some font size. For example 20 pixel. We have to give some font family. That should be sans serif. And now if you will see on the output screen, this would look good, right? So we have to give some height to it. Height should be around 50 pixel. That would look good. And we also have to write some content. So here I am going to write is developed by Amazing Learning, which is my YouTube channel. Amazing Learning. And now we shall see here, yes, developed by Amazing Learning. So this is looking good, right? So this was the final layout that we were actually okay. We left certain things like we have to keep it yellow. L should be yellow in color. So here is L, yes. So around this we are going to write span. So let me write here span, and the inside of this I am just going to write the inline style. Color should be yellow, right? So now if we shall see here, then you can see that Amazing Learning and L is yellow in color, right? And one more thing, that is sign up. On the sign up hover, we have to change certain properties. So what we shall do is, we have actually the sign up, and now we are going to write sign up hover, that once somebody hover over it, then what would be the changes. So the changes is color should be white, because already it is yellow, and this would be white. And then also border should be 3 pixel but solid and yellow, right? So now if you will see, I am just, yes, those changes are going to be reflected, right, which I was expecting. So now we come up with the final layout which we were expecting. So this was the final layout, right? There is no change in both of them, right? So in this video we actually finished the layout by using creating the layout by using images. So I think you got the concept of images, that how we can handle the CSS for the images. I have written the CSS here. You can copy and paste and even create your own layout, so that you could better understand that how we can create, how we can deal with the images, and how we can adjust the logo and various other things that we have discussed over here, because there are certain new properties related to position and background. So I think if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can also watch those videos, so that you could better understand the position property, right? So that's it. In the next video we would be learning about another cool concept. So before ending this video, I request you to support my channel by subscribing it if not subscribed yet. Just subscribe it on clicking at subscribe button right bottom of your screen. Like this video, share this video to your friends. For any query, please feel free to ask below in the comment. I appreciate your feedback if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.